Hi Gayatri,
Hi Rugved.
how are you?
Good, very
Great.
well, thank you.
So today's topic is a bit fun for the youth, relationships. So if you notice in the current times, a youth's life is on a very fast pace. And that pace is also affecting the relationship a youth is into or wants to start. For example, liking or disliking someone is as easy as a swipe right or left. Without even talking to a person, without even getting to know one.
Yeah, absolutely. So you very, very beautifully put that together, Rugved. That it's as easy as a swipe left or a swipe right to decide to start a relationship or not to.
Exactly.
So if we think a little more now, what exactly is that decision all about? On what basis are we deciding to swipe left, swipe right,
Yes.
whatever it is? So all the decisions about the relationships and how they are starting over these over various apps or various websites or various online platforms where we're getting to meet each other are actually nothing else but based on that tiny little display picture or the profile picture that's there, or a short bio that one puts up there. And on that basis we decide whether we want to go ahead and talk to this person or not. Well, it's amazing. It matches with the fast-paced life of the youth, but at the same time, it's also indicating that how superficial the beginning itself is.
Yes.
If we are only making that decision based on a picture, a profile picture, then yeah, I mean. But having said that, there are some people who have gone ahead and had very beautiful, amazing relationships through this. But yeah, the basic decision in that moment is happening on what we see in that picture.
Without a thought. Yeah. How can I know what kind of a relationship I am in? For example, if it's helping me grow or not.
So you have actually answered your own question.
Okay.
So the answer to knowing whether this relationship is good for me or not good for me is in the question itself, that whether it is helping me to grow.
Okay.
So if one, whatever kinds of, and there are multiple kinds of relationships that people are in these days, and various formats of relationships that people are in these days. But the big question is to ask oneself that whether being in this relationship, am I growing or not? So is this relationship helping me to move forward in life in some way? Is it helping me to follow my passion? Is it helping me to realize my dreams, moving a little bit closer to that at least, and so on? And on the other side, if the answer that you receive is that while this relationship is giving me all the material things that I need, it's somewhere making me also dependent.
Okay.
If it's somewhere making me also obsessed with the other person or with the relationship itself, then that is not moving in a healthy space.
Okay.
And that's a sign that, probably something is not right. So I'll use a very simple analogy here that, a good relationship and two people in a good relationship is like the two wheels of a bicycle,
Okay.
two tires of the bicycle. They both move at the same pace, move together, but as a whole they help the bicycle to move forward. And same way, a good relationship is something where both the people involved in that relationship, and it's not just a romantic relationship, any relationship.
Correct.
When two people in that relationship are slowly, gradually moving forward and progressing in life, that's a sign of a good relationship. That's healthy.
Wow, what an analogy, yeah. Like cycle, no one would have thought. But great. I think it's a good point of view to see when a person is entering a relationship, like not just, not as a selfish growth, but both sides are growing together.
Correct.
Okay, this one, straightforward, a key towards rock solid relationship, according to you.
Key to a rock solid relationship. For me, I know the key ingredient or the foundation of any relationship, and I'm again saying whether romantic or not, any kind of relationship is genuine friendship. And I'll explain why I'm saying this. This friendship is that one relationship, Rugved, where one doesn't need to think or manipulate or weigh their words. You can express yourself freely.
Yeah.
Just like how you and I are talking right now.
True. Yeah.
One can express from the heart without feeling that the other person is going to judge me.
Okay.
And that's a solid, strong foundation of any relationship. Whether it's with your parents, whether it's with your spouse, whether it's with your colleagues, anywhere. If there is genuine care and concern, if there is all acceptance, accepting you the way you are.
Wow. Very, very well put. I mean, your analogies have been just great.